Hi there. Are you in Kenya and desiring to have an online business? In this video, I'm going to be discussing 7 online business ideas which you could start right from Kenya and be able to make a profit. Of course, we all need to understand and appreciate that, guys, right now the economy is quite bad, and also despite the economy being bad, we also have awesome enablers which assist us power the internet in the country. For example, we are seeing there being expansion with regards to providers of the internet. Most recently, we saw even Elon Musk's Starlink get into the country, whereby people can also be able to access satellite internet. Beyond that, also the government has plans to actually connect more and more fiber optic cable in the country, in essence assisting more and more people out there be able to access the internet. This tells you, despite the economy being bad, we're having a digital evolution whereby we're seeing the country open up more and more people in the country having access to the internet. And with that, it tells you that actually it's gonna be more and more viable for you out there to even have a business which is 100% on the internet. This has happened before. Even we have people in the country who are making money through the internet each and every day. They wake up, work from home, and then be able to make money through the power of the internet. That actually tells you that also if you're sitting out there and desiring to do this, it is 100% possible. And by the way, we're talking about our country being heavy on the youth population. Many people out there are youths who actually have access to a smartphone. Why not use a smartphone? Why not use a laptop, for example, as a tool for you to be able to make money through online? Of course, like any other business out there, it won't be a walk in the park, because you need to have good competitive advantage for you to be able to make money online, and also you need to have the relevant skills for you to be able to make money online. But once you've harnessed your skills, you have good competitive advantages, and also you know how to push a business through the internet, be sure you can be able to build an empire on the internet. Having said that, what are these 7 business ideas which you could look to jump into for you to be able to make money through the internet? Guys, the first business idea is the idea of you selling your own digital products through the internet. What do I mean? Right about now, we're talking about there being various payment options online, whether it is payment through M-Pesa, different payment gateways out there, paying through PayPal, through cards, you name it. We have gateway providers out there who can assist you actually get paid through the internet. If you have digital products, think about it. For example, online courses whereby you're teaching people something, okay? Maybe you're selling digital artworks, you name it. Any digital product out there goes. You can be able to sell digital products through the online platforms and be able to make money. And by the way, you could be thinking maybe you don't have a website. You don't really need to have a website for you to be able to sell digital products, because we have different marketplaces out there. Even, for example, Facebook has a marketplace through which you can be able to sell your own digital product and be able to make money. Go ahead, if you can package an awesome digital product, maybe it is a course on something, maybe it's a course on making money, it's a course of maybe doing something, or even you have your own unique digital products, like for example, artworks. Sell them digitally and be able to make money, okay? And then the second business idea through which you can also be able to make money in Kenya is by you doing online writing, transcription, you name it. Any kind of undertaking which requires for you to freelance online is also a good option for you to be able to make money online in Kenya. And of course, we have those traditional marketplaces out there. For example, Fiverr, Outwork, and many more coming up, through which you can also be able to advertise, have a profile online there, indicating what you do, and most importantly, push it to relevant networks out there. And then you're going to be able to turn this into gigs, through which you can also be able to make money online. So if you can do online writing, you can transcribe, you can do designing online, why not look to jump to these particular marketplaces and be able to also make money through online platforms in the country? And then the third business idea through which you can make money online is by you doing affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is essentially you assisting companies out there, assisting brands, assisting individuals out there, be able to sell their products or services, and then in return, you can also get a commission, either as part of the selling price or even as part of the profit. And you might be wondering, why the heck is this relevant? With the internet opening up and accessing more and more people out there, it only means gone are the days where individuals used to walk trying to sell a product. Right now, you can be able to reach thousands of people from the comfort of your home. And with that, influencers out there or people who have a good following can also be able to assist brands, assist companies, be able to sell their product and in return get a commission. That's why you see, for example, people out there having links to their content. Maybe someone puts out their content around financial literacy, things like, for example, what I do, content around making money. And then also they have maybe affiliate links relating to loans, relating to credit cards, relating to even maybe Amazon, you name it. All those are ways through which these people are assisting companies be able to lock in sales, and in return, they are getting a portion of that money through commission. In Kenya, you too can be able to actually make money through affiliate links. And by the way, we have our own African-grown companies who also do affiliate marketing. For example, Jamii, which is actually an e-commerce platform. Also, I'm talking about Jumia, which is an e-commerce platform, actually have their own affiliate program through which people with following can also subscribe and then be able to be getting a portion of commission through the company sales. And then the fourth business idea which you could look to jump into and make money through online platform is you doing anything relating to social media management. Whether it is you assisting someone manage their account, whether it is you being an influencer, you name it. Through this also, you can be able to make money online. And by the way, the internet has opened new avenues of making money online. We've seen, for example, people out there having long-standing relationship with brands or companies through which, even in their content, they show these brands each and every day. Or even so, they are having a one-off pinned posts, whether it is on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook, you name it. We have unlimited social media platforms out there. In fact, it is in tens of numbers through which you can also pursue social media management and even so influencing for you to be able to make money through online platforms. Of course, you need to have a following, you need to have presence, you need to be active for you to be able to convince brands, to convince individuals out there to pay you, for you to assist them push their products into the market. And then related to that, the fifth online business idea which you could look to jump into in Kenya and be able to make money is content creation. What I'm doing right now, we have a good number of social media platforms out there, for example, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, you name it, through which individuals who are creative can be able to create content and then be able to also partake in this company's profits. You create awesome content, you have an audience consuming, and then these companies are going to be able to share with you their advertisement money, which they are making through different brands out there. For example, YouTube is maybe making money from KCB advertising their loans. Through that, I can also be able to partake in sharing that particular advert revenue. More so in case I'm making financial content. In case you're making, for example, beauty product, there is a myriad of companies out there who are also pushing beauty products in the market. And with that, you can also be able to partake in those advert money paid by these companies. In case you are also part of the different advert platforms or programs in these companies. For example, YouTube has a YouTube partnership program through which once you are eligible, you can be able to join and then be able to make money through that. Okay? And then guys, the sixth way you can be able to make money online is by you being a virtual assistant. In other words, you assisting a very busy person, a big brand out there, be able to manage their day-to-day affair, assist them be able to manage their diary, and then be able to get paid each and every month or even weekly based on your agreement. By the way, the demand for virtual assistant services out there are increasing each and every day because we're having many and many more people out there needing assistance to be able to manage their daily programs. More so because they have seen their brand grow to become very big, or even so, the social media platforms out there have really grown and they need assistance for them to be able to manage their day-to-day affairs. If you have the relevant skills, maybe secretarial skills or even virtual assistant skills, Look for gigs out there, and you could be able to assist a big brand out there manage their daily schedule and, in essence, get paid money monthly, weekly, you name it. This is also a viable option for you, more so if you have good organization skills, good planning skills, and you have your own laptop. You can be able to assist a big brand manage their daily schedules. And then the seventh and last idea I want to discuss with you is anything relating to online tutorials. You assisting someone out there be able to gain a relevant skill. For example, you are good in a given language. Why not plan lessons through which you can be able to teach a good number of people out there how to be able to learn a particular language online? Or even so, maybe you have a unique skills. Maybe you know how to do forex trading. Why not organize master classes through which you teach people online about forex trading and then be able to get paid? And the awesome thing with that is that actually you can decide the model of your class. It could be, for example, one-to-one, or even you could have a good number of people in your class and structure your lessons accordingly, whereby you are teaching them at a given agreed upon intervals, and then they are paying fee for you to be able to teach them. And by the way, guys, we have people out there who have been able to make money through master classes and also selling their own courses. Even some of them have become millionaires through that. So if you have a unique skill, don't hesitate, don't second guess, go for it, and maybe this could be your breakthrough. What do you think about these 7 business ideas? I hope you have gotten 1 or 2 which are enticing, which you could look to jump into and then be able to make money through different online platforms out there. As I've said, this isn't a walk in the park, because just like traditional businesses out there, one-to-one or physical kind of jobs, you also need to build your credibility. You also need to have a pipeline through which people are paying you. But once you start getting paid, be sure it's gonna be a continuous thing. Cheers. Look forward to share with you guys other awesome videos next time. Bye bye, and you all take care.